am. Now I'm not.
Good morning. Welcome to Morning Math with the Gallaghers. Today it is a bright, sunshiny day at the Gallagher residence.
Not a cloud in sight.
Not a cloud in sight.
Oh, I see one, but it's tiny.
Okay, and we're continuing this week's Morning Math with the Gallaghers with some more sidewalk
Again,
talk.
we encourage you to go outside and take a walk. If you pass by our house, make sure to tag us, my mom on Mrs. Gallagher on Twitter at math, hashtag mathwalk or at mathined.
Yep.
Twitter.
And let's go ahead and take today's math walk. Are
That's
you ready?
crazy.
All right, so today's math walk is all about patterns, and we're going to start with some visual patterns.
I messed up with this one, trying to do this one.
Yeah, so we just made two, huh?
Yeah, so Mom made another pattern with it, and then we made the one that we were trying to make, that one.
Yeah, so let's see. So here we have two visual patterns. We have step 1, 2, and 3. And then the question is, how many squares are going to be in the next step? So what do you think, Grayson? We want to do the first one?
Actually, it's adding 4 each time, I think.
Well, how many squares are in the first one?
3.
Okay.
And then that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, I got an idea on a pattern. So
it started with 3, and then it had?
And then it added 3.
3 to become 6.
And then it would add 4, and then it would add 5, and then it would add 6.
Okay, so if it adds 5, how many squares would be in the next step?
It adds 5. 15.
15. All right, awesome.
And then 21.
Very cool. So it's adding one more number each time, huh?
Yeah.
What about the second pattern, kiddo? Can you tell me about the second pattern? How many squares are going to be in that next one?
There's going to be 2 more. One of them, so they each go up one time.
Okay.
Which means it's adding 2. So the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the only part that doesn't have this. This is the only part that doesn't have this.
Okay, so it's adding 2 each time, huh? That's the pattern?
So then this would be 5 blocks high, which would mean it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then plus 2 equals 11.
11.
It would be 11 blocks and 5 squares high.
Very good. Awesome,
So
kiddo.
I practically answered that for you. Now here's mom.
Here's the one that I chose. So I chose ones with numbers. So the question is, what are the next 2 numbers in the list? And what's the pattern?
This one would be 80, because it keeps on 8 times 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 20 times 2 equals 40. And I know this because 1 times 2 equals 2. So then we add a 0 because it's in the next place digit.
Oh, yeah.
And then 20 times 2 equals 40. I know this because 2 times 2 equals 4. Then I added a 0 because it's in the next place.
Okay.
But I'm sure we can all do that math in our heads. You don't have to explain. You don't have to explain.
Oh, but I love it when you explain your thinking.
Yep. It's probably going to give you extra points.
Okay, so the top one, we're multiplying by 2. So the next 2 numbers are 80. And then what was after 80?
160.
Now the bottom one starts with the same pattern. They both start with a 5 and a 10. So does the bottom one have the same pattern as the top one?
No, because it has a 5 instead of a 20.
Oh.
And then a 20 instead of a 40. And
so even
then
though
a 25 instead of an 80. And then a 30 instead of 160.
So even though they started with the same 2 numbers, that doesn't mean they have the same pattern, huh?
Yeah, this one is counting by 5s.
Yeah.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Yeah.
And it went through all these numbers.
Yeah, very cool.
So then that's how you're counting by 5s.
So these are called arithmetic and geometric sequences. It's an arithmetic sequence if you're adding the same number each time. So that bottom one where we're adding 5 is called arithmetic sequence. And then when you're multiplying by the same number each time, it's called geometric sequence. So that top one where we're multiplying by 2 is geometric.
Then this one. This has been Morning Math with the Gallaghers. I'm trying a new outro. And here's our hashtag. If you walk by us again, you you can tag her on Twitter at MathyNerd and hashtag MathWalk, I think it is.
Yep.
Right? That means hashtag?
Hashtag MathWalk, yep.
Or number.
Or a number, or pound. Yep, lots of different things for that.
Yeah.
All right.
Very special thing.
So what do we say at the end of these, Gray?
All done and